Welcome to Unicomp Technology. Unicomp is poised to become a leader in the global industrial X-ray inspection industry, particularly in China. Our company specializes in researching, developing, manufacturing, and selling industrial X-ray inspection equipment and X-ray sources. Currently, we have 4 production bases in Wuxi, Shenzhen, and SANGSHIN, China, and in Johor, Malaysia. We offer complete, intelligent industrial X-ray inspection solutions, from inspection equipment to CT imaging software and AI algorithms. So, what sets Unicomp apart from other industrial inspection companies? Simply put, we are deeply committed to research and innovation. In just 10 years, we've developed China's first closed hot cathode microfocus X-ray source, making us the 3rd company in the world to own this technology. This is thanks to the advanced R&D system of Unicomp. We have continuously improved our technology, evolving from offline systems to inline solutions, and from 2D to 3D imaging. Our LX9200 3D CT inline automatic inspection system offers exceptional detail, magnifying small components and identifying internal defects like bubbles and fractures with micron-level accuracy. X-ray casting inspection is like a pair of see-through eyes, penetrating the complex structure and huge volume of the integrated die casting frame to achieve non-destructive testing of new energy vehicles. It not only improves the efficiency of the production line by more than 20 times, but also has an accuracy rate of up to 99.9%. We also specialize in new energy battery inspections with our rapid 3D CT intelligent equipment, which uses 360-degree X-ray fluoroscopy and high-speed CT reconstruction to analyze and identify internal defects in power, energy storage, and consumer batteries, ensuring the quality of lithium battery processes. Additionally, our AI-powered non-destructive inspection technology helps improve food safety by automatically rejecting foreign objects. At Unicomp, we are unwavering in our commitment to quality. Every product goes through the rigorous quality control process before it leaves the factory. High quality is our fundamental standard. Now, Unicomp products sell well in many countries and regions around the world. And it quickly responds to global customers with comprehensive localized after-sales service system to achieve rapid customer on-site technical support and training. This dedication to quality, innovation, and customer service is why more and more customers are choosing Unicomp and placing their trust in our solutions.